where the sunlight gently yields. Players gather side by side, every heartbeat unified, each one knowing what to do, moving with a purpose true. Every choice a chance to show how respect and effort grow. In the rhythm of the game we stand as one,